emotional song for so many of us. Some people avoid it because it has this big jump from an A chord to a C sharp minor bar chord. We can skip that totally by using a capo. Let me show you the whole tune. All right, let me show you the chord progression first because that's what's fun and easy. I think that's what most of us want to know, but I am going to show you how to play the intro. There's a chapter marked intro if you want to jump to it. Now put your capos on 2. Robbie Robertson did not use a capo. He played in the key of A, and we can skip that monster C sharp minor bar chord completely. Here's our progression. It sounds like this. Verse, guys. It's 4 chords. Hold your G chord. Now in this song, hold the G chord like this if you want to. I might recommend sometimes you hold it in this traditional folk way because we are going to need that. Hit your G chord. Our rhythm on this song is very simple. Down, 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 up. Okay, so down, 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 up. Okay, that last upstroke though, more often than not, is going to be on open strings so we can pass through the chords. So like this. Guitarists never like to admit that we do that, but we all do it. So we have G. Okay, your second chord is a B minor chord. Now, if you're comfortable with bar chords, throw the whole bar chord if you want to. It doesn't matter. Okay, but I want to show it to you without bars so we can all enjoy playing it. Okay, first string second, second string third, fourth string fourth, third string fourth. Just strum 4 strings on that B minor. Okay, so down, down, down. Now C chord. Here's the cool part. Grab your G chord in this folk way, in this old traditional way, and we're going to do this really, really cool traditional folk riff. Okay, that's Paul Simon all day long, right? That's a very, very traditional thing to do. Here's how you do it. So holding that G, just go down, down. Now take these 2 fingers and drop them on a C chord, second string and fourth string, up, up, down, and then lift them up. Okay, so it's practice that. It's a really beautiful riff. Learn that riff because that's a super traditional thing to do. All right, so your verse one more time. Keeps going like that 4 times. The chorus is really easy, guys. G, D, C. So he goes, take a load off Fanny. Just downstrokes. Take a load for free. Down, take a load off Fanny. And then on the C chord. And then he says, and you put the load right on me. Okay? So our chorus, very, very easy thing to play. After he says, you put the load right on me, we're going to do what I call the walk down. You hear this? Right, just a little passage back to the verses. G chord, just a single stroke if you want to. Okay, now move your first finger to the 6th string 2nd fret. It's a G over F sharp chord. In reality, it's just a passing tone. Okay, and then put your first finger on the 5th string 2nd fret. 7 chord, but again, it's just a passing tone, so it sounds like this. Right? Then a straight D chord. Okay, so feel free to strum it out a little bit. You can go if you want to, and then land the whole thing on a C chord. Maybe 3 times. It changes in the song. Okay, so there's your walk down. The intro to this song is really cool. I always thought that Robbie Robertson must have been listening to Hendrix at the time because it's a very Hendrix style intro. It's real easy to play. Let me show you how to do it. I'm going to refer to these frets as the actual frets, not the fret against the capo. Okay, so when I say 9th fret, I literally mean your 9th fret. Do a little bar on the 3rd and 4th string of the 9th fret. Okay, hit those 2 notes together and hammer 11. Now hit your 3rd string. Now hit the same 2 strings and then hammer 11 on the 3rd string. Okay, so you have this. Okay, now drop your middle finger on 10 of 2. So here's our phrase. Okay, now again, you hit the same 2 strings and hammer the 11 on the 3rd string, and then hit the 3rd string on the 9th fret. Okay, so we got this. Now, once again, hit those same 2 strings, hammer 11 on the 4th string, and hit both strings twice. So we've got this. All right, now, come down here to the 7th fret. Again, that's the actual 7th fret, not against the capo. All right, same thing, 3rd and 4th string bar, and hammer the 9th fret on your 4th string, and he does it twice. And then hit the 7th fret notes on the 3rd and 4th string. We've got this so far. To finish this off, move that finger up to the 4th and the 5th strings on the 7th fret. Hit them twice, probably with a down up, and then hammer 9. And then hit the 4th string. Okay, so we have. And then put the 9th fret back and hit both your 4th and 5th strings, kind of slide on down. All right, so here's our complete intro. All right, let's do a little play along together. I'll do the intro, I'll do the verse 4 times, I'll do the chorus, and then I'll do the walk down. And let's do it like that, right? I'll go kind of slow so you can keep up with me. Ready, play, yeah. That is the entire song of The Weight. Get that song in your life. It's so beautiful. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I got some other videos here if you're interested, and I'll see you in the next one.